Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Shami Sajwani and you're watching Upskill Yourself. And in this video, we'll be going over Trello. If you're looking to maximize your productivity, control over your task, and be accountable for your work, then Trello is definitely going to become your best friend. Trello is an easy, online, and free tool which has all the necessary features that will be required for scheduling and becoming more productive in your work. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Trello for utmost gains. Also, there's going to be a link in the description down below which you can use to sign up for Trello. And if you like the video, drop a like to it, subscribe channel so you don't miss out any future content from Upskill Yourself. And let's quickly dive into the video. Alright, so we are going to log into Trello and I'm going to show you using a new ID how Trello looks and what the dashboard is all about and how you can get across the platform. It's going to be very simple and it's going to be very straightforward and easy video. And if you want to follow along, you can do that as well. So first, we're going to create an account over here. We're going to log in using an ID. Alright, and once you have logged in, you're going to be in this dashboard. It offers all business class features for free for the first 1 month. And then you're going to come down to the free version. The free version also has a lot of perks and features, and it has all the necessary functionality that will be required by your daily tasks. So first, what you want to do is come to this plus icon and click create board. And then it's going to ask you to name the board. You can name as you want to make it more customized or specific. You can add the privacy, who should be visible to. It can be visible to the people you are working on the same board. And could be also be private to you and to only the specific people you allow them to view it. So it's very, very handy that only a specific number of people can be allocated in a team and that team can work together on a specific task or project and no one else would be there to interfere. So this is our first board, so I'm going to title it as first board. You can also change the template or the theme or how it looks. So now that we have a board created and ready to go, this is how your 3 columns would be pre-made for you. So from the right portion, you can find all the features of the board. You can change the background, you can know what board it is. And below it, you find activities that has been done on this board. So this is the 3 columns: to do, doing, and done. And if you want to create another column, you click on this extra space, write the column name, and then press enter. And this is how a new column will be created. Now you can click the 3 dots and click archive, completely remove any column you want to. So these columns will consist your task. This will contain your task in a card shaped manner. So if I click on add a card, it will give me the option to write in it. And then as I enter, I can move to more cards. Now let's say I add a card to the to-do list. I want to write a script for my video. I want to make more tasks. I want to edit the video. I want to complete the video. And then I want to upload it on YouTube as well. So this is going to be how my week look like, let's say, for example. And during the week, I will pick up some tasks and will shift it to the doing list because now I have picked onto it and I'm going to work on it. And once I have done with that, I'm going to pick it up and drop it to the done list. So this means to tell me or to the members in the board that I'm working with, they know that this task has been done or this task is in the doing list. And you can also find this in the activity column here, that all the changes that would be made by you or by any team member in your board will be shown here. Now, I know you might be thinking that, okay, this only allows me to write a task and I can shift it to the 3 columns, right? What's more powerful about it? Why is it so popular? Why is Trello so widely used? This card can allow you to make more customization to it. So let's say I click on this card. It opens a new window and this window allows me to add more customization to this specific card. I can add more descriptions to it if I want to. Let's say I have multiple people in my board and I have created a task and I have assigned it to a member. So now what I can do is add some description on how I want this task to be completed. I can add members to the group. Let's say if I want to add someone to this specific task, I want to assign that person, I can do that from here. If I want to add any labels to it, let's say I make labels as urgent, important, or it could be delayed or anything. So I can add quick labels so that people can know just by looking at the card what type of word is it. Now, if you want to remove any label from any card, just click this check mark and it will be removed. Now, I can also make a checklist as to if I'm writing a script. Let's say I want the script to be of 500 words, for example. I want the tone to be conversational, and adding these few checklists, and then I can check them off, and the progress bar also shows up. So it's very intuitive in this manner. It gives you the full functionality that a task board would look like. Now I can also schedule a task. So let's say I made a task and I want to complete it 3 days later. It will give me a notification 1 day prior because I have set it that way. I could change the notifications how I wanted to, and how delayed the notification would be is all up to me, and it's so much more easier to do this, by the way. I can also attach documents if I want to for more specification. Let's say I have people on board and I want to add more information. Let's say I have a graphic designing team. I made the task that I need a post. Now I can share some links or some images that this is how I want it to be, or these are the things I want you to add in them. And this is only the basics of Trello, right? We have only gone over how to create a column, how to create a card within a column, how to customize that specific card, how to add members to it, how to add labels, how to schedule any task to it, how you can add checklists, descriptions. For more information, you can add links, or you can upload some documents as well. And it's already so much powerful in this free version, but you get more functionality. You can also work across platform with it. I will be making another video showing you how the other features of Trello work and using more power-ups and more advanced features. So yes, those features are paid. They are premium features, so there will be a charge for it. But you can make your own link. You can ask your friends to sign up to Trello using your link, and this will allow you a 1 month free gold membership. And in this membership, you can have all the business features, all the premium features, and you can make the most out of it. I like to make my task on a weekly basis. Some of you might want to make it on a daily or a monthly basis. I find that keeping a weekly limit to my task to see how much I am able to achieve in a week is more beneficial, so that I could change things up in the next week. If I keep it of a month long, it will be not very difficult. I will have more data, but it will be more delayed to make changes. For daily tasks, I use Google Tasks and Google Calendar. So if you want to learn and know how I schedule my day using Trello, using Google Tasks, using Google Calendar, I can make a video on that too. Alright, so that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed the video, found it informative. Drop a like to it, share it with friends, help each other out, and subscribe channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye bye.